Hi there, this is Katie with Sola Wood Flowers. Today we have a fun little tutorial for you on how to make a hair clip using our wood flowers. We are going to use a little bit of filler, of course Sola Wood flowers, and then any kind of clip of your choice. Here we have just a basic banana type hair clip. We're going to start by taking a little bit of glue and gluing on just a little piece of ribbon. That ribbon will give us a good base to glue the rest of our items to. We're going to start by adding just a little bit of our leather leaf filler. This has been broken down into smaller pieces that are more manageable for this size of arrangement that we're making. We're going to add just a little bit of glue down onto the base of that piece of leather leaf and stick it onto that ribbon that we just glued to the clip. Now we're going to add the next piece of leather leaf coming out the other side of the clip, and both of those little stems there meeting in the middle. Now we're going to add our Sola Wood flower. We're going to add a little bit of glue, and then you can add any flower of your choice. Here we are using a dyed carnation. Now that we have our flower on, we're going to tuck a few more pieces of dried filler in there. And we're just going to stick it right underneath the flower, placing it wherever we want. You can use whatever types of filler you choose or whatever matches best with the theme you're going with. We're just using a few different types of dried and preserved fillers here. You could also use faux filler if you would like, or any other type of preserved filler. Once you have your flowers and filler arranged where you would like them, your hair clip is now complete. This hair clip tutorial is perfect for weddings, school dances, for flower girls, or however you would like to use it. Thank you for joining us today, and happy crafting!